In this video, you'll learn how to create a blog post using WordPress. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your blog and publish your first post. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com, open your web browser and type in the address bar, quote, WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you will see various options and links related to WordPress services. Look for the site section on the main page and click on it to proceed. After accessing the site section, locate the button labeled Create with AI. This button is typically prominently displayed on the page, facilitating the creation of a new site. Clicking this will initiate the site creation process and may prompt a loading screen as the AI prepares to assist you. Once the AI has finished loading, you will see a message indicating that the foundations for your website are being laid. This may take a moment, so be patient while the system processes your request. This step is crucial as it ensures that the AI has all the necessary information to help you create a unique site. Next, you will encounter a message suggesting you make a website as unique as you. This message serves as a prompt for you to think about the content and style of your blog. After considering this, you will type in Create WordPress blog post into the provided text field. Following this, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will submit your input and allow the AI to process your request further. You should see a confirmation message or a loading indicating that the system is working on your input. Then you will be prompted with a question about what you would like your website to be called. This title will be displayed in the browser tab when users visit your site. Type in your desired site name and again press Enter to confirm your choice. After entering the site name, you will need to provide a short tagline or description that summarizes what your blog is about. This tagline will be visible in search results and social media previews, helping potential readers understand your blog's focus. Type in your tagline and press Enter once more. Once you've completed these steps, you will be directed to a confirmation screen. Here, you will click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action finalizes the setup process and begins the creation of your WordPress blog. You will then see a message stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working to generate your new blog. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the site, this process may take some time. Be aware that if you are uploading large files or if your internet connection is slow, the generation process might take longer. It's advisable to check your internet speed and ensure that you have sufficient bandwidth for a smooth experience. After a brief wait, the system will generate your site. You may see additional messages informing you of the progress. Keep an eye on any loading indicators or notifications that appear during this time. Finally, once the process is complete, your new WordPress blog will be ready for you to customize and publish your first post. You can start exploring the features and settings available to enhance your blog's appearance and functionality. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.